Did you know bears can sleep for months without eating, drinking, or even going to the toilet? This incredible feat, known as hibernation, is a marvel of the natural world. Bears are not the only animals that hibernate, but they are certainly some of the most iconic. Their long winter sleep is a fascinating adaptation to survive harsh conditions. During this time, their bodies undergo remarkable changes. Understanding why and how bears hibernate allows us to appreciate their vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. These creatures are more than just sleepy giants. They are ecosystem engineers, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. From spreading seeds to regulating prey populations, their impact is far-reaching. In this film, we will explore the science behind bear hibernation and delve into their significant ecological contributions. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of these magnificent creatures and discover why their conservation is crucial for the health of our planet. Bears hibernate primarily due to food scarcity during winter. Their diet largely consists of plants, berries, nuts, and insects, all of which become scarce in colder months. Hibernation is a survival strategy, allowing them to conserve energy when resources are limited. As temperatures drop and food becomes scarce, bears retreat to their dens. These shelters, often found in caves, hollow logs, or under fallen trees, offer protection from the elements. Inside the den, the bear's metabolism slows down dramatically. Their heart rate drops, their breathing becomes shallow, and their body temperature decreases slightly. This remarkable process allows them to conserve energy and survive for months on stored fat reserves. While in this state of dormancy, they do not eat, drink, urinate, or defecate. Their bodies recycle waste products, further contributing to their ability to endure prolonged periods without sustenance. The preparation for hibernation is a gradual process that begins in late summer and autumn. Bears enter a period of hyperphagia, consuming vast quantities of food to build up fat reserves. They can gain several pounds of weight daily, storing enough energy to sustain them throughout the winter. This period of intense eating is crucial, as their survival depends on the accumulated fat. As the days shorten and temperatures drop, bears become less active and begin to seek out suitable den sites. They may line their dens with leaves, grass, and other soft materials for insulation and comfort. Once settled, they gradually enter a state of torpor. Their metabolic rate slows, and they drift into a deep sleep. The length of hibernation varies depending on the species and geographic location. Some bears may sleep for a few months, while others can remain dormant for over half a year. As winter loosens its grip and spring approaches, bears slowly emerge from their dens. The process of arousal is gradual, taking several hours or even days. Their metabolic rate increases, their body temperature rises, and their senses return to full alertness. Emerging from hibernation can be a vulnerable time for bears. They are often groggy and weak, making them susceptible to predators or other threats. Their first priority is to find food and replenish their depleted energy reserves. They will forage for early spring vegetation, scavenge for carrion, or hunt for prey. Mothers with cubs have the added responsibility of providing for their young. Cubs are born during hibernation and rely on their mother's milk for sustenance. As the cubs grow, they will accompany their mother on foraging expeditions, learning essential survival skills. If you are enjoying this video on bears, please like and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon so you will be notified of future content about the animal kingdom. We upload weekly and don't want you to miss out. Now back to the bears. Bears' influence extends beyond their immediate surroundings, impacting the entire food web. Their foraging activities can alter vegetation patterns, creating openings for other plant species to thrive. Their digging for roots and grubs aerates the soil, improving drainage and nutrient availability. Their consumption of berries and fruits contributes to seed dispersal, promoting plant regeneration in different areas. These actions contribute to a more diverse and resilient ecosystem. Bears play a crucial role in seed dispersal, particularly for berry-producing plants. They consume large quantities of berries, swallowing the seeds whole. These seeds pass through their digestive system unharmed and are deposited in their scat. This process, known as endozoochory, is an effective means of seed dispersal. Bears often travel long distances, distributing seeds far and wide. The seeds dispersed by bears are often deposited in nutrient-rich environments created by their scat. This provides favorable conditions for germination and growth. Many plant species have evolved to rely on bears for seed dispersal. Their fruits are often brightly colored and highly nutritious, attracting bears and ensuring their consumption. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the bears and the plants, ensuring their continued survival. Bears contribute to nutrient cycling through their foraging and scavenging activities. Their digging for roots and grubs brings nutrients to the surface, making them available to plants. Their consumption of salmon and other fish transfers nutrients from aquatic ecosystems to terrestrial environments. When bears defecate or die, their bodies decompose, releasing nutrients back into the soil. This process of nutrient cycling enriches the soil, promoting plant growth and supporting the entire food web. The presence of bears can enhance the productivity of forests and other ecosystems. Their role in nutrient cycling is particularly important in nutrient-poor environments, where they act as vital nutrient pumps. Bears are apex predators, meaning they occupy the top of the food chain. Their predation helps regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and maintaining a balance within the ecosystem. They primarily prey on ungulates like deer, elk, and moose, but they will also consume smaller mammals, fish, insects, and carrion. Their impact on prey populations can be significant, influencing the abundance and distribution of other species. Their presence can create a landscape of fear, altering the foraging behavior of prey animals. This can have cascading effects on the ecosystem, affecting vegetation patterns and the dynamics of other predator-prey relationships. Bears face numerous threats, including habitat loss, fragmentation, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. As human populations expand and encroach on bear habitats, the frequency of encounters increases. This can lead to conflicts, often resulting in the displacement or death of bears. Habitat loss and fragmentation isolate bear populations, reducing genetic diversity and making them more vulnerable to disease and environmental changes. Protecting bears requires a multifaceted approach, involving habitat conservation, responsible land management, public education, and strict anti-poaching measures. Establishing protected areas, wildlife corridors, and sustainable land use practices can mitigate habitat loss and fragmentation. Educating the public about bear behavior, promoting responsible wildlife viewing, and implementing conflict mitigation strategies can reduce human-bear conflict. Enforcing anti-poaching laws and addressing the illegal wildlife trade are crucial for safeguarding bear populations. Bears are magnificent creatures that play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of our planet's ecosystems. Their hibernation is a testament to their remarkable adaptations for survival. Their ecological contributions, from seed dispersal to nutrient cycling, are essential for the functioning of many ecosystems. However, bears face increasing threats from human activities. Their conservation is crucial not only for their own survival, but also for the well-being of the countless species that depend on them. By understanding the importance of bears and taking action to protect them, we can ensure that these iconic creatures continue to roam the wilderness for generations to come. Our actions today will determine the fate of bears and the future of the ecosystems they inhabit. Let us work together to create a world where humans and bears can coexist harmoniously, ensuring a brighter future for both.